TaiRox Collections lets you email invoices, overdue payment reminders, and payment due alerts using the preferred language setting for each customer in TaiRox Collections company window. Let's have a look. First, TaiRox Collections and TaiRox CRM and Collections let you select your customer's preferred language in the company window. The module supports English, French, and Spanish, as long as the languages are installed for Sage 300. For example, if you installed English and French for Sage 300, but not Spanish, the drop-down list for languages will display ENG and FRA as the preferred language choices. If you also install Spanish, the drop-down will include ESN. TaiRox Collections provides preferred language support for 3 email programs: Send Invoices, which emails customers with attached AR invoices, OE invoices, and/or OE credit and debit notes; Overdue Payment Reminders, which emails overdue invoices to multiple recipients per company; and Payment Due Alerts, which sends reminder emails to company contacts before the invoices are due. All 3 programs send language-specific emails with optional invoice attachments in the customer's preferred language, send emails to multiple contacts per company, let you attach additional documents as email attachments, and store sent emails as communications for later reference. Additionally, you can run these programs interactively, or you can run them automatically as Windows scheduled tasks. For example, let's see the Send Invoices program. First, with Advanced Search, you can select customers using the customer number, national account, customer group, account set, territory code, currency code, customer balance, or salesperson, and also using any customer optional fields. For this demo, we'll let the program find invoices for all customers. Next, choose which documents to include on this run: AR invoices, OE invoices, and/or OE credit and debit notes. The program also sends invoices and credit notes created by Service Manager, a Technisoft product that integrates with Sage 300. Enter the document date range that you want. In this case, I'll accept the default settings to include any invoices that have not been printed or emailed. Next, choose the template for your emails. If you are sending emails in more than one language, the program will look for French and Spanish email templates with the same name in language subfolders. Click the Preview button to check the template. In multilingual systems, the Send Invoices Preview button will display the email in the current user's Sage 300 language. In other words, a French language user will see a French language email rather than preview the email in the customer's preferred language, because the Send Invoices Preview button is not for a particular customer. However, the preview buttons for overdue payment reminders or payment due alerts display the email in the preferred language of the currently selected customer. Click the Update button to ensure that all new invoices appear in the grid. Click the All button to select all listed invoices, and, when ready, click the Send button. When processing is complete, click the Log button to see a record of all sent emails. Want to see the sent emails and invoices? Open a company record, click the Communications tab, open a communication, and click the View Email button to see the email and all attachments. For more information on CRM and collections, please visit the TaiRox website at www.tairox.com or email us at info@tairox.com.